Folks, here we are in Drexel Hill, Delaware County, and we are installing a EPDM rubber roof here. The pitch on this roof was a 212 pitch, and the rest of the pitch is an 812. So the shallow pitch here makes it necessary to put the EPDM rubber roof on. We have our fiberboard down, our fasteners, and now here's the rubber material. Underneath that bump is a ventilation pipe. Multifaceted job here with the EPDM rubber roof. People wonder why EPDM costs a little bit more. There's a lot of time involved, measuring 3 times, cutting once, installing the lower portion first, and we're just overlapping the seam. And we have the pipe is already cut in, pipe for the EPDM, so we're just draping it over, cleaning it, and then we're going to tack this down, apply the cleaner, and we'll be gluing this down. Bonding agent adhesive, both on the fiberboard substrate as well as the EPDM rubber on the underneath side. While he's doing that, we have a fella here inspecting the step flashing where the roof meets the siding wall. Fellas are working on the front on a steep 8 pitch. Ice and water down low along the eave, synthetic paper, and the Tamco Heritage shingle. We are getting close to being finished here in Delaware County. At this point here, the gravel stop has been installed, seam tape, roof is glued down. Here's our 5-inch EPDM pipe boot that's appropriate for this type of roofing, and we are moving along quite well here. It takes a lot of time doing these, but it's done right and it will be watertight.